10 amazing Lamine Yamal facts. 1. Barcelona debut at 15. Lamine Yamal made his first team debut for Barcelona at just 15 years old. 2. Spain's youngest player. He became the youngest player ever to represent Spain's senior team. 3. Scored on debut. He scored in his first match for Spain, setting another age record. 4. La Masia graduate. Yamal developed at Barcelona's famous La Masia Academy. 5. Elite dribbler. His quick feet and close control make him difficult to defend against. 6. Right-wing specialist. The left-footed star excels by cutting inside from the right wing. 7. Multicultural roots. He has Moroccan and Equatorial Guinean heritage, but chose to play for Spain. 8. Euro 2024 champion. He played a key role in Spain's UEFA Euro 2024 triumph. 9. Record-breaking teenager. Yamal has broken numerous age records before turning 20. 10. Future football superstar. Many experts believe he could become one of football's greatest players. Which Lamine Yamal fact surprised you the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Facts the Factory for more amazing facts. Soccer Fire?